Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys icon color setting in our Realme phone. In this video guys I will show you guys how can you change guys your icons colors. So as you can see guys your this icon guys to show your and get this guy Wi-Fi, Bluetooth option guys, this location, this setting guys, this icon guys you want to change this color. So guys you can change and guys now let's see how to change this color. So first of all guys open your phone setting and as you can see this type setting, then guys click on guys your fourth one setting as this personal station setting guys, and as you can see this color setting. So you can tap here, then guys which color guys, and guys you can you can customize yourself which color do you like. Example guys you like into red color, so I save from here. Then guys you can see this icon color will be changed into like red and pink color. So as you can see, so like that guys you can change guys these icon colors in your Realme phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to change icon color in our Realme phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching guys. Now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please comment, like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.